Yeah, my dad's talking about feeding her table food, which is not good for my little pup sister. Hi, it's Janine, your balance planner. And we're back at the Blaine Park, which is something we do in the morning and the evenings, and do a little walk. And as I mentioned in another video this morning, this is my exercise for the day. I am not feeling that great. Managed to catch a cold, but is this view incredible or what? I am up north in Washington State, and this is the it's just Alright, I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. We're headed out to breakfast after this.